Crispy seaweed, probably the best starter in the world. Why did the starfish blush? Because the seaweed. Don't go away guys, don't run away. I'm sorry, I won't do it again. I promise it's worth staying because today I'm showing you how to make crispy seaweed. Get your woks ready. So everybody's had seaweed before, either from a takeaway or restaurant. And you're probably left thinking that was tasty, but I'm never going to make that myself because where on earth am I going to get seaweed from? Well, wonder no more guys, because it's not usually seaweed. It's this stuff, either spring greens or fresh greens, which you can buy from your supermarket. So hold on to your hats because I'm going to show you how to make crispy seaweed. And guys, it is just so easy. So for this recipe, you're going to need some spring greens or fresh greens, a little bit of sugar, some chili flakes, and some oil for the deep fry. Right guys, so what I've got here is a whole head of the spring greens or the fresh greens. I've just stripped the leaves off and I've washed it and given it a good shake to get rid of the excess water. And now we're going to shred it finely, okay? So as finely as we can. Like I said before, you can try this with Savoy cabbage, but don't try it with white cabbage because I think it's just because it's quite fleshy and it just won't crisp up in the fryer. When it comes to Savoy cabbages even, you really only want to be using the outer leaves, again, because they're not as fleshy. Talking about that, what we're going to do is take the stalks off because that isn't going to work, because that is just not going to go crisp, is it? It's just going to be chewy and weird. So we're going to take those off, strip off the green bits. If there's any yucky bits in here, obviously take them off as well. And it doesn't have to be necessarily tidy, just thin. The thinner it is, the crispier it gets. Right guys, chopstick test, my wooden chopstick. If it starts to fizz, we're about ready. Okay, it's fizzing, right. Right, 2 rules to remember when you're deep frying, especially when you've got something that's wet or moist, is the fact that it was going to go and froth up. So be careful, never fill your pan more than half full. I've only got mine about 1/3 full today, just because I want to be extra safe. So I'm going to pop it in. There you go. You see that? That's why. Okay, so don't be tempted to put the whole lot in one go. Okay. As far as how long they stay in for, it's like how long is a piece of string. What we're going to do is wait for them to go crispy. It doesn't take very long. Okay. There you go guys, and the final touch is to add a little bit of sugar, which just enhances the sweetness. And I'm not going to use the traditional way of presenting it because they use dry fish powder, which I'm not so keen on. And also I wanted to keep this dish vegan, actually, vegetarian and vegan, just because. Check it out guys. There you have it, crispy seaweed. Get your taste buds ready. Right guys, Moment of truth. Let's see what this is like. Looks pretty good, huh? Oh, wow. That's nice. It's really crispy. You can probably pick that up on the microphone. When you fry these greens, they come out a little bit sweet, so the sugar actually enhances that. And the chili flakes really give it a little bit of kick. Of course, if you don't like hot food, just leave that out. If you want to try the fish powder, you can get it from your local Asian or Chinese supermarket. You'll find it. It's quite pricey, but some people like it. I'm not so keen. But yeah, chili flakes is my chosen route. But yeah, you can impress your friends, your family, by cooking them seaweed. I'll tell you what, I've had real seaweed, and this is not a million miles away. It's pretty good. And you can't usually get fresh seaweed, so this is definitely the way to go. Right guys, so I hope you've been entertained, and I hope you like this video, and I definitely hope you're going to use this recipe. Please, if you are, give me a subscribe, a like, a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, bye.